Welcome everyone to Digital Genesis. In the following video, we are going to upgrade the 4GB RAM that we unboxed in previous video. So to upgrade our HP Pavilion laptop, we have to remove whole case, motherboard, everything apart. Just a pretty basic stuff. The company don't know about design. So first of all, we have to remove battery and do it carefully because it is all plastic. Don't break anything. So just for safety purpose, we are going to discharge the circuit if it is charged in case. So press the power button and it will discharge the circuit. Okay, now we are ready to open it. So take a good screwdriver. Here we are. And just unscrew everything. Have some patience while doing this because we have lots of screw to unscrew. And whatever you do it very carefully because it is all plastic, and if you don't do it carefully, there will be a scratch for lifetime. So once you think you have unscrewed everything, there is a surprise. There is a hidden screw. So remove the plastic case and you will get it. So remove that screw also. So now take the CD drive out. Just pull it so it will come out. And there is a screw below the CD drive. So remove it also. So now we are ready to open it. Take a tool to open everything because you have to remove whole keyboard and touchpad assembly. And just keep in mind that it is the front of the laptop, so do it very carefully. Okay, while removing it, don't have the ego. If you need someone's help, ask them. They will help. Because it's a hard job to do. Once you open it, you will find so many cables or belt in technical word. So remove them. Those are the belts for the keyboard and touchpad assembly. So when you remove it, just keep in mind from where you take them out. If you don't have a good memory, click some pictures or watch the video. So now we have taken out. And if you want to upgrade the keyboard, same process till now. Now to upgrade the RAM, we have to remove the motherboard also. So remove the screw. We have to also remove the belt which are connecting hard disk and everything other to the motherboard. While removing the speaker wire, be careful, otherwise it will be separated in two parts. Okay, remove every screw. remove the Wi-Fi module as well. Now when you remove everything, turn the motherboard. So here we have our empty slot. Here we have the 4 GB of RAM which is installed already, and we will install our 4 GB RAM in the empty slot. Now to install the RAM, just put it in the slot, and once it is fixed, push it downward so it will be locked. Now the RAM has been installed, so whatever we did previously, just do it in reverse. Connect every belt and screw. While connecting everything, just keep one thing in mind, that whatever you connect it properly. Otherwise you have to open the system again just to connect a simple wire. Whatever you do here, do it very carefully because it is the heart of your system. It is the motherboard. Now everything has been connected. So now we will connect the keyboard and touchpad assembly. Do it very carefully, otherwise the belt might come out of the keyboard. Okay, everything has been connected. Now we are going to do something which we will not advise you. We will check the system first, then we will screw it. Just pack it. So everything is running, keyboard and everything, and the RAM is also appearing here. It has been upgraded to 4 GB, so it is 8 GB now. So now remove the battery again and connect every screw. While connecting the screw, have some patience, otherwise you will miss someone. Screw. Insert the CD drive again. Insert the battery. Okay, now you are ready to go. Now the laptop is upgraded. Thank you for watching.